All right, it's day 2 and I'm out for a hike. It's an amazingly beautiful day, almost hot here in Colorado. Here, let me flip and let you see a little bit of what we got going on. It's a beautiful Colorado blue sky, zero snow, which can be a little bit odd for November 2nd. And if you're like me, just love the sound of that trail under your feet. So I thought I'd share, if you can hear it, if the wind isn't too loud. So my day 2, here, I'll come back to me for my day 2 goals are movement. So here I am out for a hike. I've just a big project I want to do in this 90 days is to do a big house declutter. So I'm going to be kind of chipping away at that. Just a little personal goal over this time. Help free up some space. So I'm going to be working on that today. As always, good food, being well hydrated, and de-stress. Something I love about movement and hikes like this and getting outside is you're killing, I hate the phrase, but killing so many birds. You're getting so many benefits from one activity. You know, obviously, I'm getting the movement, I'm getting my steps. Man, my eyes look crazy here. I de-stress. Maybe some social time. Not today, it's just me and the dog today. And the little, there she is. A little Chihuahua hiker. So what can you do today or throughout this challenge that kind of gets more bang for your buck, gets multiple benefits from a single activity? In our playlist, you'll see there's a video from the glucose goddess, and she talks about blood sugar regulation, especially after eating, and helping to bring your blood sugar levels down so you stay more insulin resistant. And one thing she talks about doing is doing a household chore. I think she specifically said vacuuming. And that, of course, like vacuuming, like especially if you're going up and down stairs, that back and forth movement, that can be pretty physical. So that's a great one. I love that. Multiple things, yard work, gardening. You know, that's probably not going to be doing too much of that if you're doing this live with me and it's November. So what could you do? I'd love to hear your thoughts, your ideas. And I'm going to be posting a video log if I can get my tech to work. Like I said, I'm newer to all this video stuff. So I'll be posting my first attempt at a video log from yesterday. So you can see a little bit of what my day 1 included. So cheering you on. Feel free to share in the comments again what your goals are, if you had any hiccups, any challenges. I'd love to hear it. And if there's anything you'd like me to respond to, like if you have specific questions, I'd love to know. Also, as a heads up, I'll probably be talking about this. I will be talking about this in another video. But just to give you a heads up, a few times this coming week, I plan to do at least 3 days of 22-hour fasting. So if that's something you're interested in doing with me, let me know and I can talk more about what that looks like, how to manage it, what the benefits are, and why I'm doing it. I'm happy to answer all those questions and talk about it. Fasting is just an incredibly potent way to turn on your body's own natural healing mechanisms. And that's really what we want. As much as possible, we want our own internal healing, our body to do the work more than having to rely on outside, especially as we're looking at healthcare costs and health insurance costs rising. We want to do as much as we can for ourselves, especially preventative. So, just in doing that preventative work, even if and when we do get sick or injured, we're going to be able to heal faster. So many benefits. So again, let me know what questions you have. Let me know how your day 2 is going. We got this, just one day at a time. You only have to commit one day at a time.